Okay, guys. Hello, everyone. This is me, Zanira. So, today in this video, we're gonna be looking at the Rutherford, who was the scientist that present the idea. What he did, he present the idea of neutron. He present the idea of neutron, but then it was managed. The idea was taken by James Chadwick, who really Chadwick, who really made discover the atom. So basically, atom was discovered by James Chadwick, and the idea was presented by Rutherford. Alright, so यहाँ पे we're gonna see by example. Alright, now I'm gonna take the example of hydrogen. Alright, in hydrogen we have one proton and two proton basically. Alright, two proton. Then talking about the helium, we know that helium mass is 4, but then the proton of the heliums are 1 plus 1, that means 2. So Rutherford, what he did, James Chadwick made a comparison. उन्होंने एक साइड पे ही प्लेस्ड hydrogen and on the other side he placed helium. Alright, इसके रिजल्ट में आंसर हमारे पास क्या आया? हमारे पास जो हीलियम था that went down, unbalanced. It get unbalanced. Why did the helium get went down? Because after this going down, sliding down with this seesaw, James Chadwick got an idea that except then proton and electron, there is another particle as well that is need to be discovered. So what's that particle? Up now they do not know that they have the they have an idea that yes, we have the particle, but clearly they do not know that what's that particle. Then what they did, we know, I told you in the video, in the discovery of electron, that electron, the reaction between electron is chemical reaction. Alright, chemical reaction. It's not cathode rays, it's chemical reaction. Alright, but when it comes to neutron, I'm writing neutron. When it comes to neutron, so the neutron reaction, that the reaction takes place in neutron is nucleus reaction, and we know that the reaction that William Crookes present while discovery of electron was the experiment that is known as electrolysis. Alright, but here the James Chadwick did nucleus reaction, means passing the neutron from the nucleus. Now we're gonna see what's that reaction. Alright, what he did then, he basically divide. I'm gonna do the division now. Okay, he took alpha particle. What's alpha particle? If I could say you that what's alpha particle, so alpha particle are the nucleus of helium and that have double positive charge. Alright, then we took beryllium, Be, that charge is 4 and mass is 9. Alright, so what he did, now we know that he took the particle. We know that alpha is made up of what? Nucleus atom, helium nucleus. So nucleus of the helium have double positive charge, so we can write 2 positive, 2 protons and another 2. what 2? They do not know what's that 2 is. अभी तक it's not discovered what that 2 is, right? Then उन्होंने बेरिलियम का लिया, and we know that beryllium is a metal. So बेरिलियम का 4 proton, and again remaining were 5. When these proton had a nuclear reaction, all right, the nuclear reaction. So in the nuclear reaction, the proton mixed up, and they made 6. They added, shifting of the neutron occurs, shifting when alpha goes to beryllium, so shifting occurs, and it made 6 number. Now we know that the atomic number of which element is 6. Yes, it is carbon. All right, then 5 plus 7 is equal to 7. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Then why did we place another 6? Why not 7? We know that the atomic mass of carbon is 6. all right, हमने यहाँ पे 7 क्यों नहीं लगाया बजाय 6 के? हमने यहाँ पे 6 क्यों लगाया बजाय 7 के? 5 6 7 6 आया, क्यों हमने लगाया? when we added 6 plus 6 तो हमारे पास 12 आया, and that's here. हमने यहाँ पे 13 क्यों नहीं लगाया? what's the reason? क्योंकि by this they got to find out that what charge it is. अब extra charge कौन सा है? तो what they did now, उन्होंने what they did in experiment, उन्होंने कार्बन के जो पास एक्स्ट्रा चार्ज बचे थे, they went in the electric field, और इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के अंदर कोई भी हमारे पास रिपल्जन एंड अट्रैक्शन नहीं हुई. दैट इज़ वाई दिस line, this ray went straight. So that is why then James Chadwick was confirmed that this particle does not have any charge, that is neutral. Alright, so now it was clarified that the mass of the neutron is null, but it do have charge, and we know that the proton mass is 1. Now you can see the charges of the proton and the neutron seems same, but here is a minor difference. The charge of the proton is 1.67, while talking about the charge of the neutron is 1.678. You can see here is a minor change, but there is a change. Alright, this 0 says that it have no charge, this 1 says that it have charge. Alright, so by this we can recognize, yes, it do have a charge. Alright, now we're gonna see some properties of it. Let me just write the heading of the properties over here, then we shall continue with the properties. Alright, so here I'm gonna write some properties. So पहली property is that the penetration power. Now we have discussed that the penetration power, we're gonna see the penetration power. Alright, so it does not have mass, no mass, and charge is very less. Alright, charge is very less, so the penetration power will be more because it is very light. Neutron is light, but the most lightest particle is the electron, you need to remember that. But due to having no charge, no mass, it goes straight, it does not stuck, it does not deflect, it goes straight. Alright, penetration power in neutron is more and more. Alright, so now another point is that ionization. We know that ionization occurs where the particle have charges, but here it does not have any charge. It is neutral. So penetration will be no penetration in this, because in penetration most of the time, what is penetration, if I could ask you? Penetration means where there is a positive charge, the negative thing will be going there. When there is a negative charge, the positive will be going. So when we have discovered that the neutron does not have any charge, it is neutral, so there will be no ionization effect in neutron. All right. So I think that's it for today. Thank you.